Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model and texture one starfish in Blender. So I'm going to model and texture one starfish in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our starfish model and texture in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more uh, 3D modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.